Alright, so there is a tornado warning and a severe thunderstorm warning on the Midland HH54VP. I think this might be one of the first videos to have both of these alerts on the same scroll. These alerts were issued probably a half hour between each other or so. The tornado warning already expired, but I think the HH54VP must have misread the headers due to some of the wind obstructing the radio signal outside. But I think it's pretty cool to make a scroll video on this, since both of these alerts aren't too common in Western Washington. Tornado warnings aren't common through any of Washington. They're somewhat more common down in Oregon, and this is covering both of the states, technically. Both of these alerts are. So this was just a scroll video, since I found it would be an interesting idea, especially on this radio. And the fact that there are two rare alerts for Western Washington. So thank you guys for watching.